Before there was the cage, there was the cord. For over 200 years, when a new Ottoman sultan took power, his first act was murder. Not of enemies, of family. In 1402, the empire nearly collapsed. Four brothers fought for the throne. A decade of civil war turned Anatolia into a graveyard. The state had no answer for succession. To prevent this from happening again, Mehmed II codified a law of brutal pragmatism. It was called the Qanun-Nameh, the law book. The justification was maslahah, the public interest. The logic was simple. The death of a prince was a small price to prevent the death of an empire. When a new sultan took the throne, his brothers were executed, all of them. In 1595, Sultan Mehmed III ordered the execution of 19 brothers in a single night. It was not rage, it was policy. The rational peak of a system that feared instability more than it valued human life. But the law did more than prevent civil war. It shaped the minds of those who lived under it. Princes grew up knowing one truth. Their brother's survival was their death sentence. Trust became impossible. Brotherhood became waiting. The system didn't just produce violence, it produced people incapable of anything else. Then in 1603, Sultan Ahmed I refused. He took the throne and spared his brothers. Not out of weakness, but restraint. He believed mercy would preserve the dynasty. Instead of execution, he chose confinement. Princes would live, but imprisoned for life, isolated from the world they were meant to rule. Ahmed ended fratricide, but he didn't end cruelty. He simply made it invisible. Replacing the cord with the cage didn't eliminate violence. It just delayed it and made it psychological instead of physical. The princes would survive, but what they became after decades of isolation would haunt the empire far longer than any civil war.